The Electronic Throttle Control System, or ETC, is a modern technology that has replaced traditional cable-operated throttles in today's vehicles. Understanding how this system works is crucial for diagnosing warning lights. Traditional throttle systems used a physical cable connecting the accelerator pedal directly to the throttle body. The ETC system replaces this cable with electronic sensors and computer control. The ETC system consists of four main components that work together. The accelerator pedal position sensor detects how far you press the pedal. The throttle position sensor monitors the actual throttle blade position. The engine control module is the brain of the system, processing all sensor data. The throttle actuator motor is the electric motor that physically moves the throttle blade based on ECM commands. Here we see the accelerator pedal position sensor, which is critical for ETC operation. When this sensor fails, it triggers specific error codes that help technicians diagnose the problem. The engine control module connects to multiple sensors throughout the vehicle. It processes data from the throttle system along with inputs from camshaft position, knock sensors, and vehicle speed sensors. When the ETC warning light illuminates on your dashboard, it indicates the engine control module has detected a malfunction within the throttle control system. This light is your first warning of potential issues. The ETC system generates specific fault codes when problems occur. P2135 indicates sensor voltage correlation issues. P2176 means the idle position hasn't been learned properly. P0638 points to throttle actuator range or performance problems. P2101 indicates issues with the throttle actuator motor circuit. These codes help pinpoint the exact component causing the malfunction. Ignoring the ETC warning light can lead to serious consequences. The vehicle may experience reduced engine power and enter limp mode, where speed is severely restricted to prevent further damage to the engine. Understanding your ETC system and recognizing warning signs early can prevent costly repairs and dangerous driving situations. When the ETC light appears, prompt diagnosis and repair are essential for safe vehicle operation. When the ETC warning light activates, your first priority is safety. Pull over to a safe location immediately, especially if you experience reduced engine power or erratic throttle response. Next, perform a visual inspection. Check your air filter for contamination and examine the throttle body for obvious dirt or carbon buildup. A dirty air filter or contaminated throttle body are common causes of ETC problems. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve fault codes. Common ETC codes include P2135 for sensor correlation issues, P2176 for idle position problems, and P0638 for throttle actuator range issues. These codes help pinpoint the exact problem. If the issue appears to be a temporary sensor glitch, you can attempt a generic throttle position relearn procedure. This involves a specific sequence of ignition and engine operations to recalibrate the system. If the relearn procedure doesn't resolve the issue, or if you encounter persistent fault codes, professional diagnosis is recommended. Advanced systems require specialized equipment for component testing, wiring inspection, and software verification. Prevention is key to avoiding ETC problems. Regular maintenance includes throttle body cleaning every 30,000 miles, using quality fuel to reduce carbon deposits, and replacing air filters regularly. These simple steps can prevent most ETC issues from occurring.